this is our 5th or maybe 6th mini hockey game upstairs, and we have some different things going on in this game. We have our goal cam over here. So, like, if we don't know if it went in the net, the goal cam is there. And then there's this person in our comments named Hockey Snipes, and this game is dedicated to him and this guy named T-Money.
T-Money asked us to play as the Sharks, so Ryan and I are going to be the Sharks.
And I'm going to be the Rangers.
John's going to be the Rangers. We apologize for the audio, but we had to put the air conditioner on because it's too hot up here. It's like 80 degrees. Okay?
And we have a
So let's do it. Come on, Ryan. Let's go. Ryan's going to wear...
A shout out to T-Money and
Hockey
Snipes.
All right, here, Ryan. There's your hat.
This game is dedicated both to you.
All right. Oh, and also we're using the rainbow ball today, which we hadn't found in a long time. So, rainbow ball today. All right, come on. Let's go. Oh, you're on this side. All right, me and Ryan are up. You ready, Ryan?
Face off.
Face off between John and Ryan. Ryan is Pavelski, and John is
I'll be
Kreider?
Maybe. No.
Come on. Anybody.
Hagelin.
No, he's not on the Rangers.
He was though.
All right,
I'll be Zuccarello.
All right, Zuccarello. That sounds good. Let's go. Start it up. Go. Whoa, it's starting to go quick. Go, Ryan, shoot it. That's Ryan. Oh. Oh, Ryan, he missed the net. Ryan. Oh, no!
Yeah!
Back into the zone. And the Rangers are winning 1-0. All right, you ready? Come on, Ryan. Get it, Ryan. Put the lead up. Ooh, off the shirt. Oh, look, that almost happened again. Get ready, Ryan. Go in the corner. Here, Ryan. Is that in? Ryan, shoot it! Oh, look at him dumping it. Oh, save. Oh, hit the post! It's up on top of the hockey net. It's a crazy game. Get it, Ryan. Ryan, get up, get up.
This is our trip.
Oh, missed it.
Where'd that go, Daddy? Bathroom.
Bucks gonna lose. Come on. 1-0. 5 game. Get ready, Ryan. Get ready. Oh, good block with your face, Ryan.
That's not my face. That's my...
Oh, tried to sneak it wide. John's... Oh, toe drag. Save. 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 Ryan. Ryan, shoot it, Ryan. Shoot. Go, Ryan, with the 5-hole. Yeah. All right, San Jose. It's on the board. Get ready, Ryan. Switch sides. You're good on this side. Switch sides. One-timer misses. Right pass across. Oh, Ryan again! Pavelski with the double. Oh, Ryan's on fire, guys. Wait, drags it in. Brings it back to Ryan. Turns. Wide. Oh, blocks it. Martin Jones. That hit the post, I think.
No, that missed.
Oh, my goodness. What a crazy game. 2-1. San Jose Sharks up on top. Oh, rebound wide. Don't put Scott. Oh, see.
And now look, please.
Oh, it's in the bathroom. I got it.
You shouldn't do it with the door open. Close everything.
You ready? Still 2-1. Oh, good save. To the Ryo. Oh, wide. Save. Oh, Zuccarello. Oh, save. Save. It's still 2-1. Oh, he closed it off. He closed it off. Save. Back to Ryan. Wide. Crazy game. Save. Ryan. Oh, what a save. How did he save that?
That was a deflection.
Oh, Ryan's. Patty. Ryan, wait. Ryan's already got a hat trick early in this game. All right, go. Save. Oh, good shoulder save by John. This is crazy. Whoa, nice move. Oh, Ryan just missed. Ryan had nothing left. Save. Oh, nice.
Yeah!
It's Matt Zuccarello night. How do you beat him that cleanly? Matt Zuccarello knows.
Zuccarello brings it back to within one. Ready? Oh, wow. Oh, good glove save with the hand. Wide. Play it, Ryan. Oh, just missed. Where'd it go? Three to 2 is the score right now. This is a tough matchup. Come on, Ryan. Save. Oh, missed. Come on. Oh, here Ryan, shoot it. Oh, tough shot. Oh, just wide. Oh, he scored. He's tied it up. The Rangers are tied it up and the crowd goes wild. Woo! This is a tough one. Ready? Where'd it go? Alright, come on. Still 3-2. Oh! He lost it. Short side. Oh, he goes wide with it. 3-3, close matchup. Go, Ryan. Oh.
See?
Go ahead. Grab it quick. Oh. Yeah! The rebound. And the Sharks! Couture scores on that one. Uh-oh,
winning.
this is point game, guys.
What? That's not fair.
Yeah, it's 4-3. It's a 5-point game. Come on. Ready? Oh, good save, John. Whoa! Sniper! T-Money! T-Money, the Sharks did it! The Sharks did it, and they came back. Come on, everybody, say good match. Good match. Alright, thank you, everybody. Please comment, and if you want us to play a game for you, hit us in the comments. Pound that like button. Ryan with 4 goals that game. We out.